This week's question is, what kind of fall protection should I use at my house?
So when you're working on your house, a lot of times you don't think about using fall protection. I know many times you're cleaning out your gutters, you're putting Christmas lights on, and it never crosses your mind to even tie off. But a lot of times you actually see majority of the falls happen, when you're not expecting it. So an easy way to tie off on your house is going to be a permanent stainless steel roof anchor you can put under your shingles, or if you're putting on new roofing, you can actually use a butterfly anchor to attach to them.
So if you're constructing a new home for someone, or you are doing work at your own residence, the laws apply differently. So there's no regulatory you have to tie off if you're hanging Christmas lights at your house. However, if you're in a crew building residential homes, you are subject to the laws of OSHA.
So circle back around. So if you're on a residential home, you're going to use some sort of roof anchor, as I mentioned earlier, as well as like a vertical lifeline assembly. So that's going to allow you to work in fall restraint while you're walking around on the roof, as well as just a full body harness.